Namaskara. Welcome to Ahara Arogya Adhyatma, the light of Samskara. Today, being the seventh day, that is the Saptami of Navaratri, we are worshipping Kala Ratri or Kali, who was very dark with lots of hair left. And to kill the Shumbha Nishumbha Rakta Bijasura, she takes the form of a fiercest form of Durga. This is the fiercest and the most powerful. She will have tremendous energy and the strength to destroy these demons. And after that, she continued to destroy, and then everybody requested Shiva, do something. And then Shiva comes and lies down in front of her. When she keeps her foot on him, she realizes that she is keeping the foot on the Parameshwara himself. And then she comes down and pacifies, and this is how the story goes. But whatever it is, she is called as Shubhankari. Shubhankari means she does good. And not only that, she is the Adipati of Shani Deva. And as a result, those who have Sadai Sati also worship her. And whenever you want to destroy the evil, we worship her so that the good survives. So today, we have none other than R.K. Padmanabha, Rudrapatna Padmanabha. There is not a single person who has not heard his music, and his Sangeet kacharis are the purest form, and he is expert in Carnatic music. And so is his place where he is born is called as the Sangeeta Grama. Rudrapatna is a Sangeeta Grama, and he is a walking, talking, singing. If you can say that encyclopedia of Carnatic Sangeet. So welcome, Namaskara, sir.
Namaste, 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 namaste.
So please tell us about the Mysore Maharaja and the artists and the work that they did. And we would like to learn from you and listen to you, sir.
Yes. Namaste to everybody. The Mysore Asthana has contributed so much for enrichment of Carnatic music. Krishraj Vadiyar, even Chamaraj Vadiyar, who himself was a composer, then Krishraj Vadiyar, who was a great connoisseur of music, who really encouraged so many musicians, including Hindustani music. And Jayachamra Vadiyar, he himself was a great composer. So the Mysore Asthana has contributed for the development of Carnatic music very, very, very significantly. Very significantly.
Great.
So, how significantly, let us try to analyze. As I said, Mysore Asdevacharya was the senior-most great musician, who was a great Vagyayakara, and who was sent to Tiruvayar to undergo musical training under Pattam Subramanyar by Chamaraj Vadiyar.
Oh, I see.
Somewhere during 1890s, 1885 or something like that.
Great.
So he went to Tiruvayar, stayed there by the Kripa Kataksha of Mysore Maharajas, that too Chamaraj Vadiyar. He came back to Mysore with so much of enrichment of knowledge and the Prayoga and Shastra of Carnatic music, and he composed around 200 compositions.
Wow.
Very heavy compositions, which are very much popular. Even M.S. Subbulakshmi, Jain Balasubramaniam, Raikude Ramanjayangar, Shemangudi Srinivasayar, everybody has sung his compositions.
Wow.
Shri Chamundeshwari Palayamma Chamundeshwari Palayamma Kripakari Shankari Shri
Wow.
See the Vistarate of this composition. This is in Bilahari Raga. Vasudeva is the pen name or the Ankita of Mysore Vasudevacharya, was a great Sanskrit scholar who composed on the spot. Sometimes on the spot he has composed so many compositions. So, see, one more composition, very emotional composition. Shri Hari Vallabhe Maam Pahi, Shri Hari Vallabhe Maam Pahi, Shri Hari Vallabhe Maam Pahi, Shri Hari Vallabhe. See here how the notes are expressive language. Shri Hari Vallabhe, that Dainyate Vallabhe. This is the quality of Mysore composers.
Wow.
Shri, not even once the bhava is spoiled.
Okay.
Shri, again he goes. Shri Hari Vallabhe Maam Pahi, Shri Hari Vallabhe. See, one more aspect is based on this composition. See, even the students can grasp the prayoga of a raga.
Oh,
this is called Shuddha Danyasi.
Okay.
Shri Hari Vallabhe Sagama Pani Sadani Pamagada. If you sing a small raga based on this composition,
Okay.
Tadarana Devi
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
This is the Navaratri is not just a festival, but it is an aspect which gives education, musical education to people, to students, to rasikas,
Yes.
and also to musicians, to work more
Correct.
and more and more, to know more about composers, to know more about the music, to know more about sahitya, to know more about the prayogas of ragas. Sarasamukhe sakala bhagyade. This is by Mute Bhagavat. It's called Gauda Malhar.
Oh.
This raga is called Gauda Malhar. Sarasamukhe sakala bhagyade. Chamundeshwari Sarasamukhe sakala bhagyade. Shri Chamundeshwari Sarasamukhe sakala bhagyade. Again, this is also by Mute Bhagavata.
Oh.
Like this, innumerable number of compositions is composed on Chamundeshwari. Ratna Kanchuka Dhareni Amba, Ratna Kanchuka Dhareni Amba, Ratna Kanchuka Dhareni Amba, Ratna Kanchuka Dhareni. This is in Cambodia. So like this, and Tyagaraja, Dikshitar, Shama Shastri, Vasudevachar, Mute Bhagavatar, Sheshanna, they are all Patnam Subramanian, Puchi Srinivas Iyengar, J.N. Balasubramaniam. They have all composed so much on Devi because Devi is so much attached to us.
Yes, Nada Devi.
Even a word of pronunciation, Devi, that itself charges our chakras.
Correct. So you said Shama Shastri. That you said Shama Shastri. Is this the same one who wrote the Kautilya's Artha Shastra or different?
No.
Rudrapatna Shama Shastri is different.
No. He is different.
Okay.
The Shama Shastri is one of the trinities. Tyagaraja, Dikshitra and Shama Shastri.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Not this Rudrapatnam Shama Shastri.
Okay, sir.
That Shama Shastri again, he was a pujari in Tanjavur Kamakshi temple.
Okay.
Kamakshi Amba Ambaka Bashi Amba Ambaka This is why Shama Shastri was one of the trinities. So he exhausted all possibilities, the Sancharas, the Ragabhava, everything, and Tyagaraja, Balendu Bhushani, Balendu Bhushani, Bhavaroga Shamani. You will be wondered if I say that Muthuswami Dikshita has composed Navavaranas, Vibhakti Kritis. Navavarana Vibhakti Kritis. It is so grammatical, so divine, so beautiful, so heart-touching.
Very nice, wonderful.
See, he starts from the Prathama Vibhakti. So he refers to chakras also. Prathama chakra. Kamalamba sam rakshatu mayam Shri Kamalamba sam rakshatu mayam Krit Kamala Nagara Nivasini. Concert of Tyagaraja is Kamalambike at Tiruvarur.
I see.
So Muthuswami Dikshita has composed Navavarana Kritis on Kamalambike. Kamalambike, Devi, Parvati, Bhagavati. So excellent compositions. It is not just an entertainment, it is so divine. So it charges your chakras, it really cleans our body and mind. What else is required? You are a doctor, you know better.
Yes, yeah. All the stress in the mind is taken away.
Yes, relaxation.
Yeah, correct.
So always doctors say, relax.
The blood pressure comes down, the blood sugar comes down, and the mind becomes happy, and the face becomes, brimming with smile.
Yes. That is the advantage of classical music. So it is really heartening to know that you have organized this Navaratri festival in a different manner, which is really useful to people, and so many things can be understood by telling and singing the Navaratri Kritis or the Devi Kritis or the Lakshmi Kritis. And thank you very much for your...
But unfortunately, the younger generation, they should take inspiration from people like you. You are the role model for them. Instead of that, they are going for the DJ music and the high decibel music and dying on the spot. And I think this is the time that people should come back to our traditional music, which is so divine and so good. So, thank you very much for your wonderful rendition. And it was so pleasant and nice to hear you, sir.
Thank you. Namaskar. Namaskar. Ram Ram.
Namaskar.
ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿಗೆ ನಮನ, ದುರ್ಗೆಗೆ ನಮನ, ಕಾಳಿಗೆ ನಮನ, ಕಾಳಿಗೆ ನಮನ, ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿಗೆ ನಮನ, ಮಹಿಷೂರು ಮರ್ದನಿಗೆ ನಮನ, ಪದ್ಮನಾಭದಾಸನ ಆರಾಧ್ಯ ಮೂರುತಿ ದೇವಿಗೆ, ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯ ನೊಡಗೂಡಿ ನಮಿಪೆ, ಗಾನದಿಂ ನಮಿಪೆ, ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ ಜಯವಾಗಲಿ.